Hey guys, welcome back to RS Car Premium. So a lot of customer have this question like I wanted to change an auto folding mirror. Either I need to just change the wiring kit or you wanted to change the mirrors. So what actually we need to check here is either the mirror has the switch option, whether you can open and close option. Then you can use a wiring kit so that you can convert your manual to automatic. You can open and close in your remote as well. Otherwise, what we need to do is we have to completely change the mirror. So now we have got an XUV700 AX5 model which does not come with an auto folding mirror. So what you are going to do here is we are replacing the mirrors with these switches. So let's go and check it out how the work has been done. Once it is done, we'll see how the function works. So this was the old switch from the company. So what we have done is we have replaced the switches from the OEM only with a plug and play concept. So this was the old mirror and this we have replaced with new mirror. This does not have a motor, so we have used Mahindra genuine parts only for the auto folding mirror also. So guys, finally auto folding mirror is upgraded. So now if you see here, right, I'm closing the mirror. It gets closed and if I press here to open, it'll get open. So it is working in remote. Now let's check how it works in switches. So guys, let's check how it works on switches. So I'm just opening it, it is getting open, and when I'm clicking here, it is getting closed. So it will work on the open and switch as well. And if you see here, right, when the mirror is open, you can adjust the mirror as well. So your original functionality is also retained with your new mirrors. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with auto folding mirror, please reach out to RS Car Premium.